Exactly. All you need is a headband. Mic check. Check 1, 2.
My eyes.
Dorito bread.
I love Dorito. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest, Hrush. I'm so excited that you're here. Cannot wait for you guys to see Hrush's video as well. She turned me into a golden bronze goddess, very similar to J-Lo.
Yeah, it was. It was a J-Lo inspired look.
It was very
like
J-Lo.
Cleopatra-esque.
Yeah.
Like, very beautiful look. We did 2 different looks. So with yours, we got super creative. I've done this look on me, and a lot of people were commenting like, how did you do the look? And it was actually so simple to do it.
Like 3 steps, maybe 4. And it was so easy to do. I love it. It's different. It's something that you guys are gonna be like, what? She's wearing a lot of color for herself today. And I love it. It's so easy to wear, and it's all with the Latte palette that is launching on January 24th. This is actually the first look that I've done, which are 2 looks in one day with the Latte palette, filming it live with you. So it's so special. And thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
We've been through 5 different hairstyles. A slap in the face, a throw on the ground. We've been through it all, and now we're here. If you guys want to see how I got this look, yeah, tequila, everything.
Everything.
We've had so many shots, and I don't even feel like
I was never
bit of
buzzed.
tipsy. But anyways, you guys, before we get into the look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, oh, and before we go, of course, do not forget to check out Hrush's channel. Subscribe to Hrush. She is, first of all, there's just so many things. Like, you're a celebrity makeup artist. You're a brand owner of Seawear. You also are an artist. You're actually a bomb DJ, like singer. Oh my God.
Thank you.
Have you heard her sing? Oh my God. There's just so many things, and you're just such an inspiration for so many people, and I'm honored to have you here. I love you so much.
I'm honored to be here.
And that's it. I love you guys, and let's get into this video. So we already did a look on Hrush's channel, the whole face. That's why I already have it already done. So we're gonna go straight into the eyes using the Latte palette. And I'm so freaking excited for Hrush to actually play with this. Hrush is right here. Hrush, hello. She's gonna be doing my eyes.
Dorito bread.
I love Doritos. Actually, it's habanero breath.
Oh,
I'm good with that because I have Dorito breath too.
I know, we've been like just halitosis.
Oh, and we have tequila breath.
Yeah.
We've been taking shots on Hrush's channel, so make sure to go check that out. But we're gonna get into the palette, and we are doing this really pretty look with the green shade, right?
Yes.
The matcha in this palette, the fun color. So we're gonna go into it, and I'm gonna give it to Hrush.
So I absolutely love this color. I did a look for Patrick Starr's birthday using this color. I'm going to redo that look because there were so many requests for it.
It's a fun color, and everybody's always like, how do I use that pop of color?
We're gonna use it on the crease. And then we are actually gonna use Café con Leche. Am I saying it right with the accent?
Café con leche.
Café con leche.
She just makes anything sound sexy.
Café.
All you gotta do is, hey, little mama, let me whisper.
Oh.
Do it.
Hey, little mama, let me whisper. Tell you something. So, my little friends, let's get started on her eyes. Now we have a little bit of brown that we put underneath. The brown tone that I used is the Tardiest eyeliner brown.
And that was from our like bronze goddess look from your channel.
Yes.
So we still have that on.
Go look at it.
Make sure to check it out.
So I'm going to use a brand called Flower, and it's called Vinyl Eyes. The color Serpent. I am going to apply that on her waterline. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I need this color to guide everything else that I'm putting. Now it's like a green, and the matcha tone really, really, really complement one another. And when you're putting on eyeliner, like, do it in sections. You don't have to like make your eyes crazy, get watery. Look at how beautiful that green is. We're gonna tight line her eye with that same green. And I'm also going to smear that green on her lash line.
This is a pretty green.
It is. Serpent. Snake. Okay, so now I'm just going to actually push that green up. Believe it or not, like green and blue are so pretty together.
This is actually the first look that we're doing with the palette. So the first video I filmed last week was explaining the palette and everything that went into it, and today is actually the first look that we're doing with the palette. You're the first person doing a look on my channel with my own palette.
We are going to grab a rare brush. I don't know what number this is, 7.
That's the name of the brush, Rare.
Rare. And I am going to really make love to Matcha with my brush. Ready, ladies and gentlemen?
We are ready.
So we are going to pat that in and then blend out. So this look originally, I was inspired by Cher. She has a look like this.
Vibes.
So the reason why I'm first doing it with the fluffy brush is because I want to create a backdrop for it. And then picking up on strawberry milk, I'm just going to blend out the outer edge of Matcha. So we're gonna go in later with a pencil brush and really just get that cut crease in. But for right now, enjoy the color. This color matches you so much.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites.
Using a small tapered blending brush, I am going to pick up on Matcha and I am just patting that in. You guys look at how vibrant the color is, and that's not on top of concealer, nothing. And my brush is not wet. And I'm just going pull and pull. Now the other eye, you're just tapping that color in.
Are you allowed to talk about like what you're launching with C-Wear or anything?
We have a huge collaboration coming up and a lot of new products, a lot of cool stuff. Like, I think a lot of people, when they launch their own business, it's like a learning game, you know? And you grow as a person too, the more you learn. You know, I call Tarte Shape Tape Shark Tape.
Yep.
I accidentally like do that all the time.
Shark.
No, you guys, I don't short.
Just like, yep. Shark.
Tape.
Tape.
It's a tongue
Tarte
twister.
Shape Tape.
So we are gonna use a detailer brush from Real Techniques. It's super thin, and I'm using Tarte Shape Tape in tone light medium. I use it a lot, clearly.
I can tell. It's almost gone.
Yeah. So I'm gonna actually lift her eye, and what we are going to do is downward strokes, and we're gonna try to miss the eyeliner part. I remember she said she had a lot of like creasing on this eye, so I'm being very careful with that.
Yeah, one eye has more folds than the other one.
So I'm just pulling that out like that and bringing that back in. So I'm gonna use her café de leche.
Con leche.
Con leche. Café con leche. And we are just patting. How pretty does that look? Do you like it? Me gusta.
My bed's about to fall off. It's because I'm on the edge, living life on the edge.
Just like your liner.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do the other eye now. So what I really like about this look, it looks like super difficult to do, but it's actually kind of f***ing easy. Can I cuss on your channel?
I'll bleep it out.
Motherfucker.
My eyes are already closed for so long, so I'm like...
You're the model. Okay, so we're just gonna amplify the eyeliner because it just adds a different tone and just makes it look cool. It's like a super easy look to do, but I promise you if anyone sees it, they're like, oh my god, you're so talented. Oh my god, why don't you think about it?
Oh my god, you're so talented.
Oh my god, you
it
really...
looks so hard.
But it's so easy to do, no? Look at how many steps.
Yeah, crease, cut, liner.
That's it. You need leche and you need matcha. So I'm gonna put a little bit more of the strawberry milk over here as your brow bone tone, because look at how it just like pops it up. Look at the difference between that and that. I know it sounds weird to put like pink on your brow bone, but that's like so Cher.
It really is.
Do you believe in life after love? Yeah, I do. Finished, I promise. You're gonna be fine. I am tapping in matcha and smoking out her eyes with some of that good matcha color, just to intensify and tie all those colors together forever. So I have this tendency when I get lashes, I like put them
on random Ardell wispy
yeah
plastic things.
Because like in my kit, like I can't carry like so many, see what I mean?
Yeah.
They're just random
It's
lashes and I'm kind of up with that because I need to write the names of it. I'm gonna do better in life, I promise. Here's a cool tip. Cut the edge of the lash so it doesn't drag your eye.
Yeah, I just learned that over on Hrush's channel. She cut the end and it made such a big difference. It lifts it, it adds volume and pieciness, especially how I like how you like piece them on top.
Yeah, I'm using the Lily Galici mascara and I'm actually gonna roll down first because I want to make sure all that like little dust particles are off her lashes. It's not sexy, you know, when you put lashes between the false lashes and your real lashes, there's like white
Particles.
Anytime I see that, like one of my eyes, this is what I do, like like why is it there? So while I'm actually waiting for the mascara to dry, because I like to curl one more time, I'm just going to touch up your skin. So if you guys didn't know, café con leche, you can use it on your face too. So it also brightens under your eye. I'm lightly gonna dust it and then we're gonna press that in. Now we are using strawberry milk on her cheeks. So pretty.
I love blush. I can never have enough blush. We don't even need lashes.
You kind of really don't, to be honest. So I am going to just hold the lash right there on the edge, open. Don't you feel like a doll with it?
Like dolly-eyed.
What's really crazy is like we did two such different looks.
Oh yeah,
with the palette, like
totally different looks. I love this.
Are going to use individual lashes for her bottom because you know they did the bottom like lashes too.
Mod look.
Mod Twiggy. Share, darling. I don't know why I'm doing it with that accent.
It's touching my eyebrow. That's how
the
I want them.
No, like that's the point. You can kind of honestly, like any color from the palette, you can use it instead of matcha, but I just like matcha because it just reminds me of like that 80s vibe. Really pretty on you. It's trippy.
Everything that you've done so far makes me feel like a goddess.
Oh, good. That's the type of makeup I always like to do. That's why I like doing makeup, making people feel good and confident. So what I'm trying to do is like put it on the outer instead of the inner, because sometimes when you put bottom lashes on the inner corners, you look cross-eyed.
Oh my god. I think I fell in love with myself. I'm sorry, I was gonna burp in your face and I really didn't want to do that. It's like, suck it in.
Look straight. There we go. Now, we're just gonna do a couple spikies just in the middle.
Now I'm gonna go buy a bunch of spiky individuals. I'm just gonna go on Google.
Now, see, I put on the edge. Look at what a difference that makes. Let's finish up with the lip.
Yes. Okay, so we can use the lip liner you have. And then I have the two glosses, Creamer and Java. And the lip liner we're using is coming soon. So on Hrush's channel, we did the tapes. If you haven't seen her video on the instant facelift with the face tape, oh my god, you guys have to check that out as well. She did that with my eyes, and we did it going this way, so it kind of elongated the eyes and pulled them back. I am obsessed. I want to wear these all the time, but I know that I'm not because it hurts. Like, yeah. One side of my ear is like, ooh.
No, it does hurt. You can't.
But you can't even tell that you have them on if you like have your hair.
Yeah, you have to frame it.
It looks really good.
Thank you.
For the lips, you find the lip liner?
Nope. Found it. So this one is called Love Bite from Morphe, and she just has on chapstick. It's kind of easy when you're putting it on somebody else for them to smile, but if you're putting it on yourself, try it. Might help. I really like the tone of this lip liner because it's not too brown and it's not too mauve. Mauve.
It's just mauve.
Mauve.
Wait, is that Jersey? Wait.
Yeah, mauve. Coffee. Coffee. Coffee.
I think that's Jersey for
Boston.
sure.
No, that's
Is that Boston?
Boston, yeah. Coffee.
I love that brown.
It's just really nice and simple. So I actually have this one on the, well,
The center of your
I
lip.
basically licked it off. But it's really pretty. It smells delicious. And it's not sticky. And I'm just going to put that on the center of her lips. That is so pretty. You did a really good job on this collection.
Thank you.
Latte.
Christen
Dominique.
Mom, Latte.
Latte. Matcha. Do you believe in life after love? You guys, no joke. It's 1:23 a.m.
The weirdos come out at night.
Yeah.
AKA right now, me.
You guys have to go watch our TikTok.
I was just thinking about that right now. I hit her in the face with a bag. She threw chips at me. It was a thing. You guys gotta check it out. I almost fell on glass.
Oh my god. And when she fell, she like, literally she was like, that better have been worth it. That better have came out good. My little baby doll. It's such a vibe.
It is such a vibe. We're gonna pretend like the hair is not crunchy.
Exactly. All you need is a headband.
All the vibes. We're
All the
making it
vibes.
hippie, 70s, retro, 80s. I was trying to get Hrush to do a dancing one with me, but it was gonna take too long, so.
You have a PG channel. If you guys want to come to the dark side, I have cookies. Leche. Did I say right?
Yes.
Down the bridge of her nose.
Snatched.
And then I'm going to highlight her cupid spell. And I always do that right there. It just looks more femme.
Oh my god, I love.
Oh, wait, let's do it right. Hold on. Dish.
I was ready for more.
Oh, okay, I could keep going. It's out and about. Get your hands on it.
Very soon.
But honestly, like, I'm not saying it because you're my friend. I really like this product. Out of
Thank
all
you.
the stuff that you've launched, this is my favorite.
And before I let you go, I wanted to let you know that you are beautiful inside and out. Don't forget that. Go check out Hrush's channel. All right, you guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Toodaloo.